the resolution as far as the Tamil Nadu Assembly is concerned. That has now been passed after the DMK government. M.K. Stalin had moved the resolution in the State Assembly urging the centre to extend the reservation and the benefits given to the scheduled caste who have converted to Christianity. Dharani, tell us more about this resolution. If we are told it has already been taken up and passed in the Assembly.
Chief Minister M.K. Stalin moved a resolution urging the Union government, to include the Dalit Christians under the ambit of reservation for scheduled castes. So, except for the BJP, all of the political parties in Tamil Nadu, they supported this resolution. The BJP staged a walkout from Tamil Nadu Assembly opposing this resolution. So, BJP MLA Vanati Srinivasan, she told that they are not against the resolution, but the central government has already constituted a commission under retired Chief Justice of India KG Balakrishnan to examine into the matter, and this matter is already in the Supreme Court also. The Supreme Court is also hearing this matter. So when both of these things are happening, it is completely unnecessary for the Tamil Nadu government to pass such a resolution as what the BJP is claiming. So they staged a walkout from the assembly after all their comments and statements in relation to this resolution was expunged from the assembly records by the speaker. So except for the BJP, all of the political parties, they seem to be in favor of this, including the AIADMK. So this resolution was successfully passed in the Tamil Nadu Assembly. So this resolution urges the Union government to include Dalit Christians under the ambit of reservation for scheduled castes. So the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, while talking about this resolution in the Assembly, he told that this will enable them to avail the benefits of social justice in all aspects. So for the DMK, this is all about social justice. They think that bringing the Dalit Christians under the reservation for scheduled castes will enable them enjoy all benefits of social justice in all aspects. Back to you.
All right, so this resolution that has now been passed, but Dharani, please keep talking to us about this resolution, what exactly it seeks, especially talking about the benefits of the scheduled caste to the Adi Dravidians who have changed their religious status to Christianity. Is that correct?
Yes, that's absolutely right. The Chief Minister wants the scheduled castes who have converted to Christianity. So the Chief Minister wants them to enjoy the same reservation benefits as other scheduled castes people. In fact, I'm reading out the exact statement. It says that the August House urges the Government of India to make necessary amendments to the Constitution to extend statutory protection rights and concessions, including reservation as provided to the people belonging to scheduled castes under the Indian Constitution, also to the scheduled castes who have converted to Christianity. So basically, the Chief Minister is urging the Union government to bring Dalit Christians under the ambit of reservation for scheduled castes. In fact, the Union government had already constituted a commission under a retired Chief Justice of India KG Balakrishnan to examine into the matter. So that commission is in fact looking into this matter.